The moment your tool hits the box, the physical labor stops. But fixing the equipment is only a fraction of the actual job. If you leave the site without finishing the paperwork, that missing step creates a ripple effect. Invoices don't get sent out, the back office wastes hours tracking down details, and the customer is left guessing about what they are paying for. You eliminate those headaches by using a daily system called the Total Job Completion Routine. It is a repeatable checklist that ensures every piece of information makes it from your brain into the permanent record. Every step in that routine is designed to help you pass the baton cleanly. Proper documentation guarantees the work you just sweated over is officially recognized, billed accurately, and finalized without any follow-up calls. Step 1 is collecting visual evidence. A job simply cannot be closed out until we have comprehensive photographic proof of the site conditions. You need a strict sequence: before, during, and after pictures. And remember, you cannot recreate a before picture once you start turning wrenches. That initial assessment has to be captured the minute you get eyes on the unit. Along with the wide shots, you need tight, legible pictures of specific data points. Grab the nameplates, the model and serial numbers, and any failed parts that justify the repair. Step 2 moves from what the camera sees to what you did. Your field notes need to answer exact questions: what diagnostics you ran, what you actually repaired, and what still needs attention. At the end of a long day, sitting in a hot truck staring at a blank text box makes it tempting to write a one-sentence summary. That fatigue leads to skipping vital diagnostic steps and leaving out recommendations for future work. Collecting all that raw data, the complete set of photos and thorough text, is the unskippable foundation. It protects you if a question arises later, and it protects the company's liability. Step 3 is putting that raw data to work. Our internal AI tool steps in here to eliminate the blank page problem and handle the heavy administrative lifting. Take a look at these field notes. Dictating a stream of consciousness on the roof creates a massive wall of text. Instead of manually editing, you highlight this entire block of messy data and drop it into the AI tool. Seconds later, the AI categorizes the data into logical sections: a clean invoice summary, a distinct current outcome, and notes. This structured output elevates the presentation. Customers receive a precise, bulleted timeline of your exact actions, making it incredibly easy to read and trust. We use this exact workflow for same-day estimates. This estimate for a pole barn exhaust system was generated directly from field notes. Under the important airflow note, the AI plainly breaks down the technical need for makeup air, so the customer fully grasps the scope. The software does not replace your mechanical expertise. It perfectly packages that expertise, so the customer can understand the value, agree to the recommendations, and approve the estimate immediately. Step 4 addresses materials. We need to dismantle the idea that ordering parts is solely the responsibility of the back office once you hit submit. You are the active, accountable project manager for your specific repair. The office is a resource, but you own the outcome. That means following the part through its entire life cycle. You must accurately identify it, submit the exact specifications, verify the order was placed, and actively confirm its receipt. Step 5 shifts away from our screens and focuses on the final client interaction before you pull out of the driveway. There are mandatory actions required before you leave the site. You must physically walk through the AI-generated recommendations with the client and explicitly answer every question they have. Taking 5 minutes to slow down and explain the why directly to the client prevents them from feeling rushed. It proves you care about their facility as much as they do. When you pair a cleanly formatted AI estimate with clear face-to-face communication, we see a direct increase in immediate on-site approvals. True ownership spans the entire process. It bridges the gap between turning the wrench, managing logistical follow-through, and securing client trust. Finally, we enforce the 15-minute rule. This is a strict end-of-day accountability habit you perform in the truck before heading home. You run through a quick mental checklist, verify all photos are uploaded, confirm your AI notes are submitted, and ensure open estimates are sent. A partially documented job guarantees chaotic phone calls the next morning. But a fully finalized, systematic handoff ensures seamless continuity. A repair is only fully finished once the baton has been successfully passed to the office or the next technician taking over the account. The ultimate payoff of this system is peace of mind. By completing every step of the job, you guarantee full team alignment, zero anxiety, and a completely clean slate when you start your truck tomorrow.